Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with amazing oil-free Medu Vada recipe in air fryer along with lots of tips for deep frying version. Medu Vada or vada is a traditional South Indian breakfast or snack item made with urad dal in donut shape. It will be very tasty, crispy from outside, soft from inside. It's served with peanut chutney, coconut chutney, sambar or spicy curries like chicken. Usually it's deep fried in oil, instead here is the healthy and tasty version of vada in air fryer in simple way. Urad dal is rich in protein, B vitamins, fiber, iron, magnesium and potassium. Boosts metabolism, digestion, energy, improves heart health, good for skin and hair. Here is the tips for deep frying medu vadas. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of urad dal. Makes around 27 medium sized vadas. First wash dal 2 to 3 times. Soak in water for 6 hours or in warm water for 3 hours. Dal is soaked well. Drain dal for 5 to 10 minutes to leave excess water. In a grinder jar, add dal, cumin seeds, chilies, garlic, baking soda. I'm using only quarter teaspoon baking soda for 1.5 cups of dal. Too much baking soda absorbs more oil for deep frying. Plus excess soda is not so good for health too. Let's save it for recipes where it's mandatory. Add salt and grind to fine paste. It's easy to grind in wet grinder without water. Add a teaspoon water if needed and grind again. The secret to get fluffy vadas is batter needs to be aerated well to make it lighter. You can use hand, wooden spoon or my super easy and unique way of hand mixer. Transfer batter into big bowl. Use wooden spoon or hand to stir well until 5 to 6 minutes. Or you can use hand mixer. It comes with 2 beaters, just 1 beater is enough. Beat it until 4 to 5 minutes. Isn't it very handy and super easy to get light batter? Upon lifting, batter should not fall off easily. This consistency is good enough. Add pepper powder, finely chopped onion and mix well. I made batter into 2 parts, one for air frying and other for deep frying. I'm going to add curry leaves, coriander leaves, spring onions to deep fry batter. You can add same to air fryer one too. Deep frying batter should be real thick to absorb less oil. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoon rice flour if batter gets loose. Add little water to air fryer batter as air fryer pulls out moisture. Thus this batter doesn't need to be thick. Should be good enough to hold the shape. Let's see vada shaping techniques. You can use thick polythene or my way of small liner. Grease liner and palm with water. Take little batter. Make round shape. Dip thumb in water and make a hole. Shape like vada. Smoothen it. There shouldn't be any spikes. It's easy to lift with a liner. Or you can use spatula or backside of bowl. Or directly on hand. Grease with water before and after. Let's see air frying. Preheat air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Use liner or parchment paper at the bottom. Brush with water. Place vadas. Shape it up again if needed. Make sure hole is not too small. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Flip them. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Flip again. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. If you want to brush with oil, you can do so on both sides after first 5 minutes of air frying. I'm going to use 0-calorie cooking spray. Instead of spraying all over directly, I like to control by puffing in a bowl and brush. For reheating vadas, you can microwave a minute or air fry for 1 to 2 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit. I tried to keep it totally oil free. Used 1 by 4 teaspoon baking soda for 1.5 cups of dal to make around 27 vadas. Still, vadas look so great. This is the least you could use. For occasions, you can try with little oil and little more baking soda. Vadas will puff up even more. Without liner, you can directly brush the mesh with water. Notice that it's going to leave the mesh design marks. Let's see air frying with pre-steaming. As I said, I'm not going to use oil at all. Grease idli mold with water. Place vadas. Steam for 1 to 2 minutes. Use spatula to extract vadas. Adjust the shape if needed. Preheat the air fryer. No need of greasing with water. Air fry for 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Flip the vadas. Air fry again at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. You can place vadas directly in air fryer, steam vadas, or freeze batter or vadas for an hour. Only the texture is little different with various air frying ways. Taste is similar and matches almost with that of deep fried ones. A little more air frying with 1 to 2 minutes extra time gives you more brownish color. Let's see deep frying. Heat oil adequate for 5 to 6 vadas for a batch. Once the oil is hot enough, test by little batter. It should hold the shape and fluff a little. Place vadas gently. Deep fry them for few minutes. Flip them on turning brown. Fry for few more minutes and drain them. Keep vadas in standing position or use skewers over tissues. Limit deep fried vadas to occasions. Pair with idlis to portion size. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.